Are you tired of drinking plain water?
Absolutely not. Water, cold water, when you are thirsty, is the greatest thing on earth. Getting that fresh water, running through the mountains, got all the vitamins and minerals you need, and then you just filter out all the bad stuff. Mother Nature provides, man. You don't need any flavoring. Stuff. It's the blood of the earth. Plants are good too. But yeah, enjoy some water because hearing water boosts your serotonin levels. So I'm gonna let you hear some water for a little bit.